Hello students, what we discussed so far? We have discussed anomalous behavior of a water. What is the anomalous behavior of a water? The behavior of water from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. What is that behavior? Generally all liquids, when it heated or when we start to heat from 0 degrees Celsius to above temperature, that means as temperature increases they are expanding. But it is not true with the water. From 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius it will contract instead of expanding, and later it will expand. Then the behavior of water from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, that behavior is called as anomalous behavior of water, that we have discussed in the last session. Now the same behavior of water we are going to discuss with the help of Hope's apparatus. See, what is Hope's apparatus? We are going to use a flat bowl and one cylinder. How it is fitted? This one is a flat bowl and this one is a cylinder. Cylinder is fitted within this flat bowl. That means the empty space in between the cylinder and the bowl, we are going to mix freezing mixture. What is freezing mixture? Freezing mixture is nothing but ice plus salt. By mixing salt and ice, we are going to keep it here. This is called as freezing mixture. And the cylinder having two thermometer to check the temperature or to measure the temperature of a water which is get inserted within that one. And when normal water, that means at the normal temperature, what water we having, we are going to keep that water here or insert water from this cylinder. So see here, as water filled within this one, as a temperature, definitely at a starting point, we having temperature, suppose this temperature is 16 degree Celsius. That means this T1 will show 16 degree Celsius. But as this freezing mixture get added or it is in between in contact with this water which is within the cylinder, definitely it having less temperature and water having more temperature. So this heat starts to move from or transfer from higher region to lower region, that means water to that freezing mixture. As freezing mixture is absorbing the heat, definitely it starts to melt, and melted water or the water which has melted, it will convert or it will come from this end and it get collected within this vessel. So that is the structure here. And after every 30 seconds we are going to measure the temperature, and how there is a change in temperature that we are discussing now. See, first of all, what will happen? The water which is in between or in contact with this freezing mixture, I am going to draw a line here. This one is the line. From this point to this point we having the freezing mixture. So the water from this layer, there are three layers. This is layer number 1, layer number 2 and layer number 3. See now, the layer number 1 is in contact with freezing mixture. Temperature starts to decrease. As we have started activity, at that time both the thermometers T1 and T2 were showing 16 degree Celsius temperature. Now as heat starts to decrease of the water which is in contact with freezing mixture, temperature starts to decrease. 16 degree, 15 degree, 14 degree, 10 degree, 5 degree, and when the temperature reaches to 4 degrees Celsius, that means as temperature decreases, it starts to contract. See here, from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, it will expand, it will contract, and then it will expand. That is the anomalous behavior we are having. Now temperature is 16 degree. So from 16 degree to 4 degree it will contract. As it is contracting, definitely volume starts to decrease. As volume decreases, density increases, and because of higher density, the movement of water which is in the layer first starts to move towards the down, because the heavy things will go down, and 16-degree water starts to come up. So first, in the second layer which we having here, thermometer number 1, temperature starts to show the less temperature, and finally first it is reaches to 4 degrees Celsius. Now water from the layer number 1 and layer number 2 togetherly they having 4 degrees Celsius temperature, because the water of 4 degrees Celsius will come up and 16 degree will go up, and again it starts to lose the temperature. So slowly layer number 1 and layer number 4 reaches to 4 degrees Celsius temperature. And total now from this point below we having 4 degrees Celsius temperature. Now see, the T2 thermometer, that is thermometer number 2, which is towards the upper side, still it having 16 degree temperature. Why? Because the water which is above, again it is not in contact with this freezing mixture. Now the water particles which are near to this layer, now here we having less temperature of higher density and it is lower density. So now heat transfer starts like this one. That means now layer number 3 to layer number 1. So as temperature starts to dip down, volume, that is contraction, volume increases, and then again density increases. So layer remains here, and slowly all this water's temperature starts to decrease, and then finally it will reach to the 4 degrees Celsius. So what happened here? T1 temperature starts to decrease first, then T2, and now both the temperature of both thermometers are showing the same temperature. Now what is going to happen here? This is the freezing mixture of 0 degrees Celsius or below 0 degrees Celsius. Again it continued to absorb the heat. Now as it starts to absorb the heat from layer number 1, temperature 4 degrees Celsius to 3 degrees Celsius. Now as temperature decreases below 4 degrees Celsius, now anomalous behavior is there. Without contracting, it starts to expand. As it expands, definitely volume increases. As volume increases, what will happen? Yes, density decreases. As density decreases, this waters become lighter and it will start to move upward. And now all the water particles which having less temperature than 4 degrees Celsius, it starts to move upward, and the T2 temperature then it starts to decrease. 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, and 1 to finally it reaches to 0 degrees Celsius, and the upper part, layer number 3, is converted into ice first. Then what happened here? See, when it is 0 degrees Celsius, still the water below this one is of 4 degrees Celsius. Before this one, this session we have discussed how aquatic plants and animals can survive within the cold climate within the reservoir. So like this is going to happen, and so the first upper part is formed into ice, and then it starts to absorb the temperature from lower one, and it is very short part, and so totally it converted into ice, and later it will convert as a 0 degree Celsius, and totally we are getting here ice. But it is for a demonstration, it is very smaller apparatus, and so it happens. But within the ocean or within the reservoir, only the upper layer of water will convert into ice, and lower layer remains water of 4 degrees Celsius. So what happened here? The first temperature T1 started to decrease, then T2, then both at 4 degrees Celsius, and then T2 show the rapid changes. So as we have discussed earlier, we are going to maintain the records of this temperature after every 30 seconds. So with the help of this time, after 30 seconds and the temperature from 16 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, if you present is graphically, you are going to get change within this behavior of a water. See here, this is a x-axis on which we have considered time, which is measured in minute, and on y-axis we are going to consider the temperature, which is in degree Celsius. See here, when temperature was of 60 degree, then which first starts to decrease? T1. So T1 starts to decrease first and then T2. T2 started to decrease later. But when they are at 4 degrees Celsius, both reach at 4 degrees Celsius after 30 or 40 minutes, and then T2 decreased first and reached 0, and later this T1, that means the upper part of water temperature decreases later but reaches 0 degrees Celsius after 4 degrees faster, and this T1, that means the water which is in the lower part, the temperature decreases little earlier faster, and then after 4 degrees Celsius it decreases later and reaches to 0 degrees Celsius, and that is only in the Hobbs apparatus. So with the help of this Hobbs apparatus, what we discuss? The anomalous behavior of a water.